from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on.
Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I have a 3-year-old son named Lennox. I like to make a lot of motherhood and lifestyle content on my channel. So if you haven't already, I'd love to have you. Please hit that subscribe button below. Today, I am going to do a Halloween clean and decorate with me for 2021 and I'm super excited about it. I'm just showing you a few things that I have on the table here to decorate with. I have a bunch of these pumpkins that I picked up from Home Depot, and then I have these 2 little tea light candles from Target. I picked up these witch's brew buckets from the Dollar Tree actually, and then I have this jack-o'-lantern which was $5 from Target. Here is just another little pumpkin. It's white and it says trick or treat. That was $3 at Target. The next thing I picked up was this fake cobweb to make. I did pick it up at Joann Fabrics. This is something I really wanted for above my fireplace, so I got one of those. These fake bone decor I got at the Dollar Tree. I also got this little ghost at the Dollar Tree along with a matching jack-o'-lantern at the Dollar Tree. And I also picked up this candy corn lane garland at Home Goods and it was $12.99. I really love it. Also for the fireplace, I also picked up at Dollar Tree these spiders to go with the cobwebs, and then I picked up a few of these bats which I thought were really cute that I could decorate with. And these pampas grass stems are purplish. I did pick them here in California. I think they are beautiful and perfect for the season. I got this $10 ghost from Target for my son, so it's more for him. And then lastly, this is a Ray Dunn pumpkin spice sign that I purchased at Home Goods for $9.99. I will tell you right off the bat, Halloween isn't my favorite holiday. However, I am doing this for my son and I just want him to be excited about it. So let's go ahead and get started and see what I put together. The very first thing that I am going to clean and decorate is the fireplace, and above it, I want the main focus of my decor to be by the fireplace. So that was my main goal from the beginning. So I am just going to go crazy with the cobwebs over here and the spiders and everything else. So I will show you what I put together, but this is what I want the main focus of the room to be, is the fireplace.
On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Now that I finished putting up the cobwebs, I am going to move on to the garland. For both the cobwebs and the garland, I did use command hooks to help hang both of them up, and they seem to work great. I did try and take them off the wall and they didn't cause any damage. So that is what I'm going with. I did pre-measure the garland prior to hanging it, but I wanted to save you guys the time and not have to watch all that. So here's the final product, and I'm loving how it turned out.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good.
I am now going to add some real pumpkins on the bench next to the fireplace just to give it that full Halloween look. Tell me what you think of this green pumpkin. Do you like it or don't you? Does it give you spooky vibes or you just think it's plain ugly? I am undecided, so let me know in the comments down below. Chances are it probably won't last until Halloween, so I'll have to get a new one anyway, so I thought I'd ask you guys.
Still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on.
I swear that this entertainment center gets dustier way faster than it probably should, so I'm going to clean it down, and then I am going to keep the decor very simple over here. I'm just going to do one jack-o'-lantern on the top and then another pumpkin on the bottom, and then that will be it for the entertainment center. But I just wanted to show you guys, what I was doing over in this section.
Linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Again, I am going to just keep it very simple over here. I want the main focus to be the fireplace, so I am going to put this Rae Dunn pumpkin spice sign, and then I'm going to put 2 tea light pumpkin candles on either side. I just think it's like the perfect little accent for this area, and then when the lights are dimmed, it looks even better yet. The next thing I'm going to do is just create this little area for my son on his table. I'm just going to add little things that I think he'd like this ghost that he's obsessed with. And then I'll put little sensory objects in these witch's brew buckets with a little pumpkin included. So here I'll just put some bones that he can play with. And then in the other bucket, I'll put some glow-in-the-dark hands that I think he would really enjoy. And then that will be about the extent of the decor that I will do on his table.
Eyes on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone. But you got me good, but you got me good.
Okay, my son actually semi-broke this ghost, but I just wanted to show you how cute it is that it spins around. I'm going to move on over to the living room again. I am going to just straighten up the sofa a little bit and then just clean up the table and such. And then I'm going to finish decorating in this room, and then that will conclude the Halloween decor. But there is a few additional pieces that I want to add in this room as well.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy my pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Next, I am going to focus on the lattice structures on either side of the door. I am going to put a jack-o'-lantern on one and a ghost on the other. I think Lennox will love it. So I'm just tying them with some string here, and then I'll cut it off after Halloween's over. I'll probably do the same with wreaths around Christmas time, but for now I think this will do, and it turned out really cute.
Between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Last but not least, I am going to focus on this paper mache leaf hanging I have here, and I am going to just clip bats around each leaf. I think it will just be so cool to just like clip them in different directions so that they're flying in like different directions. But this is the last thing I'll be working on in this video, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I think it's really cute, and I like the pops of black with the neutral throughout. So that is an idea. Like if you have any type of wall hanging that maybe you can add decor to, definitely do it, because you know this was $1 for these packs, and here it looks like something big because I'm adding it to an actual art piece that we already have on the wall.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in red.
That concludes this Halloween Decorate and Clean with Me for 2021. I hope you enjoyed. I went with a minimalist approach, but I really love the way it turned out. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more like it in the future, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
You got me.